Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate compliance tracking with ComplyAdvantage step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your ComplyAdvantage account. Navigate to the dashboard where you will find various compliance tools. Locate the Compliance Tracking section in the dashboard menu. Click on the Set up Compliance Tracking button to get started. Select the specific type of compliance you wish to automate, such as AML or KYC. Enter your organization's regulatory requirements in the provided fields. Customize the notification settings to receive alerts for any compliance issues. Upload any necessary documentation by clicking the Upload button. Ensure that all team members who need access to compliance reports are added to the system. Use the search function to locate relevant compliance regulations in your area. Configure the automatic report generation schedule based on your needs. Choose the format in which you would like to receive your compliance reports. Set up regular data updates by linking your existing databases with ComplyAdvantage. Review the compliance tracking dashboard to ensure all settings are correctly configured. Run a test automation by simulating a compliance scenario. Analyze the generated report for accuracy and completeness. Make any necessary adjustments to your settings based on the test results. Finalize the setup by clicking the Confirm button at the bottom of the page. Regularly monitor the dashboard for updates and compliance alerts. Stay informed through the resources and support offered by ComplyAdvantage. Utilize the analytics features to assess compliance trends over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.